Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
What's your name?
My name is Bella. What's yours?
I'm done. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Korea. How about you?
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student. What about you?
Can you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Do you live around here?
Yes, I live nearby.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
What's your favorite color?
I like blue. How about you?
Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved here last week.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
What time is it?
It's 2 o'clock.
What's your favorite season?
I like spring best.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I had toast and coffee.
How do you get to school?
I take the bus.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I drink it every morning.
What time do you go to bed?
Usually around 11 p.m.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually watch movies.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I go to the gym.
What month is it now?
It's November.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in July.
What's your favorite day of the week?
I like Friday. How about you?
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't. I have free time.
What do you usually do on Sunday?
I usually stay home and rest.
What is today's date?
It's December 15.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I have no plans.
What time do you have lunch?
I usually have lunch at noon.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books and listening to music.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I go to the cinema every month.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. What about you?
Can you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
Where do you usually go on vacation?
I usually go to the beach.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I cook dinner every day.
What's your favorite TV show?
I love watching The Big Bang Theory.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I often go shopping on weekends.
What time do you watch TV?
Usually after dinner around 8 p.m.
How often do you exercise?
3 times a week.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee in the morning.
How do you spend your evenings?
I usually read books or watch TV.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I read every night before bed.
What's your favorite restaurant?
I like the Italian restaurant near my house.
Can I have your phone number?
Sure, it's 010-1234-5678.
Are you on Instagram?
Yes, I am. My username is @BellaButton22.
It was really nice talking to you.
I feel the same way. Let's meet up again soon. Take care.